Hi everyone. Moving across to the Grand American Touring part of the range, the Street Glide Special Anniversary will be limited to 1,600 examples and have the same MSRP of $30,899, representing a $1,400 premium over the two-tone paint version of the standard models. Introducing the 2023 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special Anniversary Edition. This rare combo of performance, factory custom bagger styling and cutting-edge connectivity celebrates 120 years of HD craftsmanship and pride with commemorative paint and finishes. A factory custom bagger with highway shredding power offered with new two-tone paint options, and with a choice of a blacked out or bright chrome styling treatments, giving the customer a choice of a look that's dark and sinister, or brilliant and more traditional. All special models are now equipped with the high-performance Ventilator air cleaner with a washable filter element, and a new low-profile engine guard, the Milwaukee-Eight114 V-Twin engine and Prodigy wheels. The original hot rod bagger rolls behind the classic Harley-Davidson batwing fairing. Authoritative power meets long-haul comfort and custom style. Bright white Daymaker LED headlamp pushes out an impressive punch that lights up the road and makes the motorcycle more conspicuous in daytime. Distinctive styling wherever the road may take you. Elevated custom styling. Own the open road with the Milwaukee-Eight114. Features and benefits. The category we've created from the ground up. Go the distance, in style. We've been building the motorcycles to help you discover it in the most epic way possible since we invented the fully dressed touring machine in the 1960s. Entire continents, and all the mountain ranges, canyons, glaciers, small towns, deserts, cities, roadside attractions, adventures, and stories they contain, are yours for the taking in the saddle of a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. The pursuit of adventure begins with a ride on a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Make any weekend epic. Turn your commute into a daily thrill seeker. A Harley-Davidson blows things wide open. Pure freedom. As big and real as it gets. Optional rider safety enhancements. Raise your riding confidence with cornering electronically linked brakes, cornering ABS, cornering traction control with modes, drag torque slip control, vehicle hold control, tire pressure monitoring, TPMS. Optional responsive suspension. High-performing front and rear suspension with easily adjustable rear shocks put you in control of a plush ride. Stretched saddlebags. Designed to accentuate the long and low profile for an iconic, custom look. Milwaukee-Eight114 engine. The most displacement in standard HD touring models. You get 114 cubic inches of passing and horizon chasing power. Boom. Box GTS infotainment system. An evolved interface experience that offers a contemporary look, feel and function, with exceptional durability and features designed specifically for motorcycling. Every element is optimized to enhance the rider's interaction with the bike and connectivity with the world. 2023 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special Anniversary Edition Key Features. A momentous occasion deserves something truly unique. The Anniversary Collection is that and more. 6 limited edition, serialized motorcycle models featuring commemorative paint, finishes and premium features that celebrate 120 years of Harley-Davidson pride and craftsmanship. They are perfect for riding to the Harley-Davidson homecoming event. Bold 120th Anniversary themed paint. Upright riding position. Floorboards. Passenger seat. Saddlebags. Fork-mounted fairing. Infotainment. Rider safety enhancements available. Milwaukee-Eight114 V-Twin engine and Prodigy wheels. Bright white Daymaker LED headlamp. Thanks for watching.